This is Tom Dillon, the Lifetime Liberal, and today is Saturday, December 4th, 2021. The title of this rant is The Supreme Court versus Roe. Should women be regarded as full human beings? So we all know about the Supreme Court case that's going out there. And, right now, it has really come down to, will women be able to have control of their own bodies, or will a state be able to tell a woman what to do with her body? That's what it really comes down to. It has its roots in slavery. It has its roots in white supremacy. And right now we have, let's say, 4 white Supreme Court justices that are men. 3 of them are definitely Catholic. I'm not sure about the other one. 1 white woman, which would be RCB. Who belonged to a religious cult, I think, when she was younger, when she was a child. And then we have Clarence Thomas, who's in a league all by himself. And the betting basically is that the Supreme Court will overturn Roe versus Wade and indicate clearly that women do not have control, are not really full human beings, because the state has to tell them what they can do with their bodies. And of course, if this happens, there will be a fallout effect. There will be fringe things where the right will begin again to find further restrictions. Let's say on birth control, who you can marry, the morning after pill, and of course more and more hate towards the LGBT community. And of course, this all goes back a long way. It's rooted in white Christian men's misogynistic desire to punish women for having sex. And of course, as I said, the roots of this go back to white supremacy and go back to slavery, because back then, anyone that had intercourse with a black woman, that child would always be black. And we couldn't have white women having intercourse with black men because we don't want to give rights to anyone that's born from a white woman that is not white. All right. And the big question, or the questions are, what are women going to do about this? Will they, let's just say, fight and vote out all of the Republicans who are very much behind this, have always been very much behind this? They've used this as a political tool. Now they will have to defend it. How well will they defend it? Because the far-right Christians have, many more plans for more restrictions on women in the future. And my big question is, will all women fight to defend their bodies? And will especially white women step up on behalf of their sisters who are people of color, knowing that they are the ones that are going to have to take the brunt of it? Because it is a economic aspect. There's the economic aspect that many white women have the ability to go across state lines, whereas many people of color and also many other poor white women do not have this. And let's break it down, because right now, taking reproductive control away from white men is the biggest threat to white supremacy. White supremacy and white supremacy in terms of patriarchy also. And the battle is beginning right now. I just hope that women step up and defend their bodies.